What's up, Fit Fam? How are you guys doing today? Good to see you. All right.
Scoot back.
Coming up.
Scoot back.
Scooting back.
Stay right there.
Staying right here. All right. Happy Thursday, you guys. It's great to see you guys. I'm waiting for this to pull up on Liz's feed.
What's up, Coach B?
What up, Coach?
Brian Fredrickson is on.
Yeah, what's up, B? All right, there we go. Let's see, how do I get it?
What up, Boom?
Yeah. All right, Vanessa, what's going on? What's up, Boom?
Christine.
Christine's on? Christine Werner?
Yes.
What's up, Christine Werner? Yes.
Vanessa's on.
What's up? Yes.
Suzanne.
What's up, Suzanne?
I miss
Vicky, I
you.
see
Gashad.
Gashad's ready. Yes, sir. I like it. All right.
Hi,
This
Christine.
thing's lagging. It's throwing me off. I just want to be able to see you guys coming on. We got a fun little workout today. We got a little tornado, 30 seconds.
Hi,
It's gonna be
Nikki.
fantastic. I can't wait. Just so you guys know, and I've already posted this on the Facebook page. I've sent out emails about those MyZone belts. I'm going to start doing some challenges starting next week. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to encourage you guys to move, right? So I'll give you guys details to the challenge, but the belts that I have in stock are running low. I'm down to 4, right? So I sent out those emails and posted those Facebooks, and a lot of people jumped on it. So jump on it. It's a great deal, $70 plus tax, sunshine tax, right, here in California. But $70 for one of those belts, it normally retails for $150. So take advantage of it while you still can. You can always just email me and let me know. But we're going to make this a lot of fun and make sure that we're staying active, maybe doing a little bit more work than what we already do here in our sessions. But really trying to keep our mind off of the negatives and really focusing on the positives, right? And the things that we can control. And that's our body, our nutrition, our fitness, right? All right.
Hi, Karen. Hi, Melissa.
What's up, Karen? What's up, Melissa? Good to see you.
Hi, Tara.
Tara Wilcox, terrorizer in the house. All right. We're getting ready. We got about 3 minutes, 2.5 minutes. But yeah, we got 6 workouts that we're going to work through. We're going to work through those 6 workouts 6 times. So we're going to work for 30 seconds. We're going to get 10 seconds of rest. It's really going to challenge us cardiovascularly as it always does. And then at the end, we've got a fun little finisher, do the roar. But we'll talk about that a little bit later. All right, that's just a little bit more fun. All right.
Natasha's on.
Natasha Erickson, what's going on?
Maria Makayan.
What's up, Macayans? All right, how's pregnant life, Natasha? Hopefully you're feeling better these days. Yeah. All right. Melissa, did I get Melissa?
I think
What's up, Melissa
so.
Reese? Good to see you. As always, you're always ready. All right. All right. We got our butt. Perfect. Just getting large. Well, I'm pretty sure that that's a natural occurrence in pregnancy. I don't know from personal experience, but I have witnessed a few of them, and so not I don't have to, but other people around me. So
Wow.
yeah, I'm pretty sure that's part of the process, right? But that's okay. It's all good. You're creating a human being, right? So, all right, let's get this party started. Let's start warming up. So hop out here, honey. We're gonna have a good old time. I'm gonna get the timer going. So we're gonna work out. We're gonna start on some good mornings. Okay, good mornings. For those that don't know what a good morning is, we want to bend here at the hips, right? Small bend in the knees. So you notice my knees are a little bit bent. They're not fully extended, so I keep them straight. Or not totally straight, I just keep a bend, but all the weight or all the bend is here in the hips, okay? I'm gonna get the timer going here in just a second. All right.
Okay.
We're gonna start here in 10 seconds. All right, so start out with those good mornings. I like to put my hands on my head for whatever reason. We're gonna squeeze our glutes at the top, so really extend and squeeze as you come up. Squeeze. We want to feel the stretch in our hamstrings. We got full body extensions today. Full body extension jumps. We did that last week. I like them a lot. Puts a lot of stress on our hamstrings and our glutes, which these days when we're sitting too much, we want to get a lot more posterior work. We got to work out those glutes. We got to work out those hammies, all right? So just keep working through here, all right? So 6 workouts that we're going to work through. We're going to work through them 6 times, 30 seconds work, 10 seconds to transition. Take the breaks where you need it. Push yourself where you can, all right? So first exercise is going to be a squat pulse, a squat jump. So we're going to go down, pulse and jump. Pulse and jump. Right there, all right? From the side, here, pushing those hips back, a little pulse at the bottom, and the jump, all right? All right, squat to reach, guys. And we're going to do what we did yesterday. We're going to squat reach to the side, stretch those obliques, squat reach to the side, stretch those obliques. You can decide how long you want that stretch to be, but don't cheat yourself on that reach. That reach is extremely important, stretching out those lats, those obliques all the way down the side, all right? So second exercise is going to be a half burpee. So half burpee is we're going to be in that squat. We're going to go down, come up, here. So no push-up today, just the movement of those legs from the side, here, right there. Your modification, you can step, step, up, step, step, up, all right? Okay, and on that first exercise, the squat pulse, just don't jump. Come up on the squat. All right, that's your modification for exercise number 1. All right, number 3, we got lateral skaters. So we're gonna go side to side, right? Okay, let's see, jumping jacks, just like Liz is doing. All right, so lateral skaters, just like that. Pushing those hips back, right? We wanna be heavy on that heel of that leg, okay? If you don't feel like jumping, don't feel comfortable with it, then you can just go side to side, basically like a curtsy lunge, just staying low. All right? Run and punch. All right, so I'll start out with the opposite leg, opposite hand up. And what we're gonna do is a nice high intensity. High knees as you're punching, going as quickly as you possibly can, okay? From the side view, right there is what it looks like, high knees, okay? Now, if you don't feel comfortable with that, you can march it out, okay? You can march pretty quickly, right? Just trying to get those knees up as high as you possibly can. That'll still get your heart rate going. All right, section number 5. All right, march in. So just get those arms going, get those knees up. We're gonna start working out and warming up those hip flexors and that core so you can get ready for that run and punch. All right, full body extension. Again, kind of like those good mornings. We're gonna bend, my chest comes forward, right? I'm not curling. We don't want this. I want to keep good posture. So I go down, and from here, I'm coming up. Here, push up, back. Now every time you land, okay? Different than a squat, okay? I want to really focus on the bend here in the hips when I come down, okay? I'm going to explode my hips up, and as I come down, right there, all right? Okay, and of course, if you don't feel comfortable jumping, you can go here and explode. 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 Okay? All right, last but not least, plank reach. We're going to go here in a plank position. All right, jog in place, jog in place. So we're going to get to a nice plank position, and we're going to reach out, trying to keep those hips as level as possible as you're reaching. Okay? So from the side, you can see it. Plank position, and I'm reaching out in front. Reaching out. Okay? Just like that. All right? All right, those are your 6 exercises today. You guys ready? I'm ready. All right, we got 35 seconds. I'm going to jog it out for 35 seconds. Even though I'm feeling warm, I'm already breaking a little bit of sweat. This is awesome. All right. Liz is playing with the camera.
No, I was just checking it's on.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, man. Getting hot. all warmed up. Let's get ready to play. Let's get focused. All right, starting in a few seconds. Here we go. I'm gonna get time going. All right. You ready, honey? Yes. Are you guys ready, group? Yes, I hear you. Yes. All right, here we go. Oh, not too loud.
That's you.
All right. Starting in 5 seconds. Here we go. Squat, jump, squat, pulse with the jump. Pulse, pulse, jump. There you go. We're going to go for 30 seconds, right? Start your breathing now. Don't wait. Yes. Feel through those heels. Landing on the balls of those feet, then sitting back on those heels, right? I'm landing on the balls of my feet, and I sit my butt back. All right. Yes, 3 seconds. There we go. All right, half burpees. Half burpees. So here, I'm going to show you from the side so you guys can see again.
3, 2.
All right, down to the ground we go. Boom. Stay low. Stay low. If you need to modify, step, step. Back up you go. Switch what leg is stepping back, right? Do what works for you. All right. There we go. There we go. Pull that chest up. Almost there. 4 seconds. 2, 1. All right, lateral skaters. Side to side. It's going to be good. I already feel it.
Oh my God.
All right, here we go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Yes. Good. Think about back in the day when I didn't have a car. I'd be on my rollerblades, cruising down the street, going to racquetball practice. Yeah, I played racquetball. Yeah, nobody even knows, right? All right. If anybody ever wants to go play racquetball, I got you guys. Yeah, we'll have a good time. 3 seconds.
2, 1.
All right, good work. All right, run and punch. Run and punch.
3,
Opposite hand, opposite foot.
go.
Here we go. Good high knees. That's what we're looking for. Breathe. And if you have weights at home, you want to take up the intensity, grab some weights. You won't need more than 5 pounds. Anything more than that, you'll hate yourself. All right, you'll hate me more. 7 seconds to go. High knees, high knees. Come on. Almost there. 2, 1. Yes.
Rest.
All right. Full body extensions. Remember, it's all in the hips.
3,
Small bend in the knee to absorb.
go.
Explode. Drive with those hammies. Drive with those glutes. Yes. If you need to explode, right there. All right. 5 seconds, team. 3, 2, 1. All right. Plank reach. Last of the first round.
3,
Here we go.
2, 1, go.
And you want to try to avoid this shift here, right? Keep those hips as parallel to the ground as possible. It just might mean slower, methodical movement. That's okay. We're going to be moving the whole time. 2, 1. All right, back to the top. Squat jumps. Fill up those lungs. Pulse, then squat jump.
1.
Pulse, jump. Keep that chest up. Different from those full body extensions. Full body extensions, that chest comes down. For this, chest stands up. So we really got to use that erector muscle back here. Keep our chest up. You want to be able to read my shirt? I want to be able to read yours. 3, 2, 1. All right. Good. Lateral skater or half burpees. Half burpees.
3, 2, 1, go.
All right. Sitting back on those heels, right? So I'll show you here. We don't want to be here and staying on the balls of our feet. Sit back on those heels. Transfer that weight to those glutes, those butt muscles, right?
3, 2,
All right.
rest.
Lateral skaters now. Side to side we go. Side to side.
3, 2, 1,
Here we go.
go.
Yes. Keep working. 15 seconds to go. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Run and punch.
I can march with that, right?
You can march them out. Definitely march them out. This will modify right here. Here we go. So just do what Liz is doing if you need to modify. If you want that high intensity, keep working with me. You can still keep it high intensity just by picking up the pace with that march. Last 10. Keep it up. 3, 2, 1. All right.
Rest.
Full body extensions. Hips, hips, hips. Glutes, hands.
1, go.
Back that butt up. Right? Try to touch the wall behind you. Sorry.
Because it's like right there.
All right, sorry. I'm enticing Liz a little too much. All right, 7 seconds to go. We're almost there.
3, 2, 1, rest.
Plank reach. We're down to 2. Sorry.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go. Reach, reach, reach. And you notice Liz is going high plank. That's okay. That's great. Five seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right. 2 down. Keep moving. Whatever you do, just keep moving. Pulse. Pulse. And jump. Chest up. Yes. Explode. You want to develop power? That's that strength and that speed, right? That's power, drive. 1. All right. Half burpees. Here we go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Almost there, 10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Lateral skaters. Side to side we go.
3, 2,
Here we go.
go.
Those legs are working today. Seconds, come on. Come on. Speed it up.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
All right. Run and punch.
3, 2, 1. Go.
Get those knees up. Seconds, we're halfway through. Come on. Push. Drive. You got it. 3, 2, 1.
Rest.
Woo. Full body extensions.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, my bad. And it doesn't have to be fast. Make sure every full body extension, you feel those glutes extend. 7 seconds. 2, 1.
Rest.
Get to the halfway mark. Plank reach.
3, 2, 1. Go.
10 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Rest.
All right. Second half. Most important part of your workout. Toughest part of your workout. It gets up here now.
1.
Here we go.
Go.
Squat it. Pulse it. Drive it. You got it. Yes. Come on. Squat it. Drive it. You got it. Come on. 15.
Y'all get water when you need to get water.
7 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1.
Rest.
All right. Half burpees.
3.
Focus on the next 30 seconds. That's it.
Go.
Here we go. Get that chest up. Bring that chest up. Let me see that shirt. Come on. Let me see that sweat dripping. 7 seconds to go. Last one.
1.
All right. Woo. Lateral skaters, side to side we go.
3, 2, 1. Go.
Can you balance on that one leg? And drive across. Make that one leg bear the weight. 13. Last 10. To the finish line we go. 3, 2, 1.
Rest.
Good work. Run and punch. Run and punch.
3, 2, 1. Go.
My pace is slowing down, but I'm still focusing on those knees getting high. It's an ab workout. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Rest.
Oh man. Full body extension.
3, 2, 1. Go.
Down. Form over speed. I don't care how fast you go. I just want that movement right. So get control of that body. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Plank reach. Here we go.
3, 2, 1. Go.
Good job, team. Keep digging. Focus on your work. Just the next one. Next one after that. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right, we got 2 more of everything. You got this. Come on. Dig deep. Get down in there.
3, 2,
Here we go. Pulse.
1. Go.
Only person you're competing with is yourself. Oh yeah. 10 seconds. Ah yeah. Come on. Come on. 3, 2, 1. All right. Woo. Half burpees. Freaking half burpees.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go.
Go.
Sink into those heels. Bring that chest up. It may be a little slower, that's okay. 10 seconds. About 3 more.
3,
That's 1, 2, 1. All right.
Rest.
Lateral skaters. We got this, team.
3,
3, 2, 1, and go.
go.
Can you get a little lower with that leg, huh? Now you're stopping with one leg. That second foot doesn't hit the ground. Can you get a little lower? Challenge yourself more. 10 seconds. Come on. Get there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Run a punch. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Stand on the balls of those feet if you can. Yeah. Come on. 15. Keep working. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Rest.
Full body extensions. Get down towards the end of this 5th.
3, 2, 1. Go.
Come on. Come on. We got 10 seconds. Coming up on 10. 3, 2, 1. All right. Plank reach.
3, 2, 1. Go.
reaching. Keep that core strong. Keep those hips level. Keep driving. Yes. You got it. 5, 3, 2, 1.
Rest.
All right. I think this is the last one. Did we do 5? All right. Here comes an elimination now, I think. I'm gonna check the time. Yep. Elimination time. Here we go. Squat. Keep it up. Come on. Keep that bounce. Hit that low squat. 10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. All right. One down. One down. Let's go. Half burpees.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go. Erector muscle at work. Keeping that chest up. Next one. Next one. Right at 10. Next one. Don't think about it. 2 more. Last one. 1. All right. Good job. Skaters. Skaters. Come on. 2 down. 4 exercises to go.
1. Go.
Just gonna try and cover more ground. My laterals. 10 seconds. Come on. 10 next time. Yeah. Halfway there. Halfway there. Run punch.
3,
Run punch.
2, 1. Go.
Yeah. Come on. Next one. Come on. Keep pushing yourself to go. 10 seconds to go. Burn it out for 10. Burn it out for 10.
3,
2, 1. All right. Full body extensions, 2 more exercises. 1 minute of work in your workout.
3, 2, 1. Go.
It's not supposed to be easy. It's supposed to hurt a little bit. If it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. If it doesn't make you want to quit, it's not hard enough. 10 seconds. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Last exercise. Plank reach, team. 30 seconds.
3, 2,
Here we go. Come on. Hold that plank if you can't reach. Yes. 2.5 seconds. Coming up on the last 10. Almost there. Come on. Come on. Come on. 3, 2, 1.
done.
Woo. All right. Finish your time. Finish your time. We're going to let out the biggest roar we've got. Come on, honey. Come on. Finish your time. I want to see you guys do the roar. All right? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ah!
Okay.
Great job, team. That took the rest of it out.
Go back.
You can relax for the rest of the day. I'll be throwing up a new nutrition video today about eating bugs. Check it out. It's great information, important information. All right? If there's anything, it's going to be one of the more important nutrition videos to watch because how important the bugs in our body are, all right? So, great job today. Thank you so much for allowing us to be a part of your day. I'm just gonna go through. Dina, what's up? Boom, yes. What's up, Misty? Hey, hey.
Hi,
John.
Diane.
What's up, Diane? Kelly Baker, what's up? Soul, great to see you. Rosaline. Vanessa, sorry I'm dripping. Sean, what's going on? Debbie, what's going on? Coach Justin, hello. Susan, great job, way to be here. Yeah, Karen, I like that roar. Good, Maria, I like it, Diane. Yes, Justin. Good job, Gasha, yes. Melissa, yes, that's what it feels good. Christine, good job. All right, baby, and roar, yes. See, we got to keep it fun.
Justin, you're killing me, dude.
You're doing it good. I'm glad you're going to be doing it later. That's good, Justin.
You're going live, right? Right, Justin?
Good job, team. We love you all. Way to make this a part of your week, part of your day. 2% of your day is all you're looking for, and it makes a huge impact on the rest of your day, all right? 30 minutes out of 24 hours. That's it, right? You guys are making it happen. We'll see you guys all tomorrow. Don't forget to check in on Facebook. FBBC Strong is the hashtag. We are donating to the CDC Foundation this month. Every 25 check-ins is 15 minutes of research. Man, research is expensive.
Right.
So do your part. Doesn't cost you a thing. Get a check-in on Facebook, all right? Make sure it's public.
Yes, make sure it's
So
public.
HQ can see it,
Yes.
all right? Okay, I think that's all I've got. Anything you got? Oh, my zone belts. I only got 4 left, all right? Otherwise, you're gonna have to order through the website, all right? I sent you all a link with a coupon code if you want it and didn't get it, just let me know. But we're gonna start a challenge next week, and I'll let you guys know some details, and we'll win some fun stuff for those that are staying active, all right? All right, great. Love you all. That's it. That's all I got.
No.
Oh, you got more? Okay. Sorry, my bad.
You asked me when you cut me
Oh,
off.
my bad.
You guys could download the app to your MyZone to your phone, and it keeps track of everything.
Yes.
So,
Stays 14 hours on here, and when you get back to your phone, it'll upload all that data.
yes.
All right. Cool.
That's
All right.
it.
That's it. Now that's it. All right. Have a wonderful day. Mwah.
Bye.